So hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel with another new video. So guys, today we discuss about travel insurance. Travel insurance is a type of insurance that cover different risks while traveling. It cover medical expenses, lost luggage, flight cancellation and other losses that a traveler can incur while traveling. Travel insurance is usually taken from the day of travel till the time the traveler reach back to country. Taking travel insurance ensure of comprehensive coverage in case of any emergency in other country. Travel insurance is also available for trips taken in the home country of traveler like e-travel, but it more popular option for travel abroad. Some of risks covered under travel insurance are person accident cover, which cover ensure death, permanent total disability, accident, sickness and medical expenses, dental treatment relief, emergency evacuation, repatriation of remains in case of death, baggage delay, loss of checked baggage, loss of passport, flight delay, hijack, home burn, trip cancellation, missed connection, missed departure, bounced hotel airline booking. There may be more risk covered under individual policies depending on requirement of traveler. The amounts to which the risks are covered depend on the policy plan that the traveler option for. Travel insurance also cover additional risk at an additional premium. Some of the risks are specific to traveler or the place that person is travel to. Type of insurance. There are single trip travel insurance policy meant of one journey, but for frequent traveler who travel abroad on business purpose. There is an option to buy multi-trip travel insurance policies. Some policies last for entire year and cover multiple trips to particular destination. Opting for such policy is much more cost effective for businessmen and frequent travelers to a particular destination. We also have student policies which are specially designated for students going abroad for studies at affordable premium. The maximum trip length lasts from 30, 45 and 60 days. Another type of travel policy is a group traveler insurance policy. A group policy covers 7 or more travelers. These policies are cost effective and offer similar benefits as a single trip. Travel insurance policy. Group travel insurance policies are based on the age of traveler, which means it work or more per traveler in different countries on tour.